Beijing Juanjing Hotel Necessities Supply Company Limited was established in 1998 in Beijing. We are a manufacturer of detergents and disinfectants. Juanjing Company's business includes detergent research, production, and sales. Production area of 8,000 square meters. We use raw materials with high quality and scientific to produce a variety of forms of detergent with environment-friendly formula. Our product line includes commercial coffee machine cleaning tablets, oven cleaner, dishwasher cleaner, washing machine cleaner, and kitchen grease cleaner. We are a team of continuous research with 20 years of production experience and innovation, being recognized by customers at home and abroad, serving for IHG, Marriott, Luckin Coffee. We are the reliable supplier. Our products have been reached NSF and REACH certificates. We are willing to provide green, safe, and healthy products to more international customers and can provide customized ODM and OEM services based on customer requirements. Our products have been recognized by the Authorized Testing Center with CMA and CNAS. Our company has obtained ISO 9001 certification. We guarantee to provide the products with strong washing effect for customers. We can save cost for customers to achieve the goal of create value for customers and win-win cooperate with customers. Juanjing Company is also willing to work with customers to establish new standards of cleaning and create a clean new life together.